Hello and welcome back to the channel, Ghana University Application Tips. And the goal of this channel is to assist prospective applicants gain admissions successfully into the best tertiary institutions here in Ghana. So I'll urge you all to subscribe to the channel, like the video, put down your comments so you don't miss out on the bright side of gaining university admissions. So you have your grades, certificates, and you have researched and chosen your dream course. Now you are probably wondering how to stand out from the thousands of would-to-be students vying for places in universities. A critical factor in this process is to consider the best university that provides you with excellent educational environment. And this matters because it is impossible to overestimate the importance of choosing the right university since your future depends on it. At Valley View University, you are motivated to build the potential and ability for further studies by providing you with not only academic opportunities but with challenging learning environment that will make you suitable for the industry. Valley View University has a strong emphasis on Christian values and spirituality. So Valley View University is a private Christian university which is located in Oyibi near Accra, Ghana, and the university was established in 1979 and has since grown to become one of the leading universities here in Ghana. Valley View University has been awarded gold for recognition of her outstanding leadership and commitment to quality and excellence. Valley View University also offers a wide range of undergraduate and graduate programs in various fields, which includes business, education, information technology, health sciences, theology, and many more. So we move on with the entry requirements. And the entry requirements for Valley View University vary depending on the program you are applying for. Generally, you will need to meet the following criteria: a minimum of 6 credits at the SSCE or WASSCE level, including English and mathematics with social studies as well as integrated science. You must also meet the minimum grade requirement for that particular program you are applying to, or pass the university's entrance exam or interview. For the bachelor's degree program, WASSCE, SSCE, GBCE applicants are required to possess 6 subjects comprising 3 core subjects, including English language, mathematics, integrated science or social studies, plus 3 relevant elective subjects. GCE advanced level applicants must possess passes in 3 subjects. At least one of the pass should be a grade D or better. Also, the applicant must have credit passes, that is grade 6, at the GCE ordinary level subject, which includes English language, mathematics, and a science subject for non-science students and an arts subject for science students. Diploma certificates from recognized universities assessed to be equivalent to HND with second class lower division may be considered for admission into level 100 or 200 in the area of specialization depending on the subjects passed. The applicant must note that Diploma in Business Studies (DBS) qualifications cannot in itself be used for admissions into Valley View University. Higher national diploma holders from recognized institutions with at least second class lower division may be considered for admission into level 200 or 300 in their area of specialization, depending on the subjects passed from transcripts. The applicant must have acquired a 2-year post-higher national diploma qualification working experience. Other diploma qualifications from elsewhere assessed to be equivalent to higher national diploma may be similarly considered for admission. Full diploma certificate in ABCE. Also, the applicant must have credit passes in 5 subjects, including English language, mathematics, integrated science, or social studies in the General Business Certificate Examination GBCE or the Senior Secondary School Certificate Examination SSCE or the West African Secondary School Certificate Examination WASI. ABCE candidates may be considered for admissions at level 200 of a degree program depending on the academic transcripts and years of working experience. Diploma in Basic Education or a 3-year post-secondary teachers certificate A holders are eligible to apply for degree programs in education. Applicants who possess the French baccalaureate from French-speaking countries and any other foreign high school diploma equivalent to WASI, such certificates must be evaluated by the National Accreditation Board. Other international students having equivalent qualifications may apply for admissions. Foreign certificates must receive authentication and equivalences from the Ghana National Accreditation Board. Foreign students must have their school's certificate diploma also translated into English if they are not written in English. Registered General Nursing or Midwifery, State Registered Nursing or Midwifery Certificate diploma holders may also apply for the Bachelor of Science program in Nursing and the Bachelor of Science program in Midwifery. Mature applicants must be at least 25 years old, show proof of age with birth certificate or any legitimate documentary to prove their date of birth, provide an introductory letter from employer or show any other proof of employment. Applicants must pass the university's mature entrance examination, which comprises English language, mathematics, as well as the general paper. Moving on to the diploma programs, SSCE or WASI holders must possess passes A to D for SSCE and A1 to D7 for WASI in subjects including English language and mathematics, and must possess a minimum of 3 passes in elective subjects, which should be credit passes, that is grade C6 or grade D or better. It must be noted, however, that certain courses may require credit passes grade C6 or grade D or better in the core subjects and in other relevant courses, especially for the science programs. So moving on to the available programs, and under the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, there is the Bachelor of Arts Theological Studies, the Bachelor of Science and Development Studies, the Bachelor of Education Music, Diploma in Development Studies, Diploma in Music, and the Bachelor of Arts in Communication Studies. So we move on to the Faculty of Science, and there is the Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Engineering, the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Diploma in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Mathematics with Statistics, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Science in Mathematics with Economics, Bachelor of Science Agribusiness, Diploma in Biomedical Equipment Technology, and finally the Bachelor of Science in Business Information System. We move on with the School of Education at the Valley View University, and there is the Bachelor of Education English Language, the Bachelor of Education Mathematics, the Bachelor of Education Social Studies, and finally the Bachelor of Education and Information Technology. We move on with the School of Business, and there is the Bachelor of Business Administration, Banking and Finance, the Bachelor of Business Administration Accounting option, the Bachelor of Business Administration Human Resource Management option, the Bachelor of Business Administration Marketing option, the Bachelor of Business Administration Management option, and finally the Diploma in Business Studies. Valley View University also run professional courses such as the ACCA UK and the ICA Ghana. Under the School of Nursing and Midwifery, there is the Bachelor of Science in Mental Health Nursing, the Bachelor of Science in Midwifery, as well as the Bachelor of Science in General Health Nursing. So this is the official homepage of the Valley View University College, and on the home page we have the About Academics, Admissions, Life at Valley View, Stories, Resources, Ventures. So we look out for Admissions tab and click on Apply Now. So this is the online admissions portal where you are to register by creating an account using your username as well as a password. So the account type, you can select local Ghanaian applicants. Your exam type, are you awaiting or you already have results? We are going to select awaiting. You indicate your email address, your contact number, and your new password, and click on the registration button to continue your application. So I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Kindly hit on the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, like the video, comment down below, and I'll see you in the upcoming video.